Hi, I'm Charles Carter with Case H. Today we want to talk about our floating no-till residue managers with clean sweep technology, allowing us to manage our row cleaners not only better in the soil, but doing it from the cab of the tractor. First off, when we start looking at the row cleaners, they're all going to ship with this depth stop pin in there. That's going to keep them from moving during transport. But one thing to keep in mind, go ahead, once you take it out to allow the row cleaners to be in this floating position, go ahead and take this pin and insert it into one of the lower holes that would be the limit of how deep you would ever want your residue managers to run. This gives you that stop, that hard position that you know you'll never overrun. So once you have everything set on the row unit itself, we'll step over and take a look at the AFS Pro 700 for some of your in-cab operations with the row cleaners. Let's focus in on our in-cab control with AFS Pro 700. With AFS Pro 700, this gives us the ability to fully control our clean sweep system and our row cleaners from the tractor cab. We have 4 modes of operation. First mode being float. This allows the row cleaner to just follow the contour of the ground with no up or down force, just the weight of the row cleaner carrying it. Our second mode of operation is down. So with this, we can go in and actually enter a set amount of pressure that we want to apply down to the row cleaners. This way we can better penetrate into either tough soil conditions or if we've got a lot of crop residue that we need to get through to ensure that good seed to soil contact. We also have a lift option carrying up the row cleaners, particularly handy in soft soil conditions or when it's maybe getting a little bit wet, so that we can continue to run, but we're holding up on those row cleaners, still allowing them to clean the row, but not allowing them to dig too deep and cut a trench or a furrow. And lastly, we've got a full lift position. One time we may use this is if we're in some conventionally tilled ground where we don't need a row cleaner, or if we're facing some of those adverse conditions and we need to get the row cleaner out of the way, maybe there's a wet spot coming up in the field, we can fully raise those row cleaners, get through that bad spot, then set the row cleaners back into the position where we need them for the remainder of the field. If you have any additional questions on Clean Sweep or our Case H row cleaner options, please consult your operator's manual or contact your local Case IH dealer.